Do you want to know how you can enable AI data uses in Perplexity? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable AI uses and data authorization in Perplexity.ai. So go ahead and open Perplexity.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on this setting option which you can see on the bottom left hand corner, and what you need to do is scroll down until you find AI data uses. This feature allows us to see your research data to improve our AI models. It says that turn this setting off if you wish to exclude your data from this process. So as now it is turned off, to turn it on, just click on this button over here, and after it turns blue, you can see that AI data uses has been turned on. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Open Perplexity.ai, click on this option on the bottom left hand corner, scroll down and find AI data uses. Now to turn it on or off, just go ahead and click this button. If it is gray, it's off, and if it is blue, it's on. This way you can allow AI data uses in Perplexity. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.